Which, as previously said in, I kind of agreed at may vindication pa nga sa sinabi ko dahil totoong family squabbles lang ito, and the Marcoses and Romualduses would have not cared for the millions to potentially billions of pesos in confidential funds kung hindi lang masyadong maaga naghahangad si Duterte na sirain ang unity ng mga Marcos para tumakbo sa 2028. May vindication ako dahil ayon sa recent SWS survey, hindi top issue at bottom of the rank pa nga ang impeachment ni Duterte sa kanilang pagpili ng kandidato para sa senador kung ikukumpara sa mga much more pressing issues tulad ng food security, pagdatag pa ng healthcare system or bago at maayos na healthcare system sa bansa, more job opportunities, edukasyon, at karapatan ng manggagawa all within 88 to 90% of the pooled people. Now, of course, granted, 53% o majority mga sinurvey, pero it's low compared to what they make it out to be. Ako, I'm all for accountability, pero the impeachment would not have happened even if the Makabayan Bloc has filed it. It will not pass. Kaya lang nagpo-push through ang impeachment is because of the squabble of the two families, and the people know it. Alam nila na away ang pamilya lang yan. If they were friends, no amount of suspicious confidential funds will be enough para mag-lodge ng impeachment complaint laban kay Duterte.